Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to make plastic yarn from plastic covers. We can use single strands of yarn as well as double strands of yarn. So I'm going to tell you both the methods in this video. So let's move on into the video. So first take the plastic cover, we'll cut the ends here. So next, you can move the cover like this. You are going to cut the cover till this, not entirely. So if you see, you are going to cut 3/4 of the cover. You will be cutting. So till this point, you will cut. So in this method, you will do the single strand of plastic yarn. So after completing them, it looks like this. Next, you will keep your hand inside like this. So next, you will cut crossway like this. So this end to this end. This end to this end. So after cutting them, it looks like this. This forms like the yarn. You can wrap them. So this is one strands of yarn using plastic cover. You can use this plastic yarn for making basket, coasters, doormats, everything. You can use the waste covers which you get from shopping. So next we'll see how to do two strands of yarn. So we will cut them till here. Same way this edge. You can fold them. You can cut them into pieces. So if you cut, you will get a stripes. So like this stripes, you are going to cut all these stripes. So you can open it up. You can see stripes like this. So next we will join them together to form like a continuous yarn. So let's see how to join them. Take this stripe, take another stripe, place one above the other, bring this one, bring it under like this, and you can pull. So next take the other stripe, place it here, insert it inside like this and pull. Take the next one, place it on top, insert it in this center like this and pull. So likewise you can join all the stripes to form 2 strands of yarn. See how it looks. So after joining all the stripes, this is how it looks. So next you can wrap them like a ball. This is how we can do 2 strands and single strands of plastic yarn from plastic bags. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.